ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Nongñiah kali Kamai tourist naga jela Meghalaya ba naga jela Assam hakalai photrik unaitung arjara phosau kiriya kendo lang haga Nong po di boy district banyakaran sani halo ka jingjia hakal phundro trik unaitung arjara phosau haga tingar East Khasias hade mi khot jaga nyautrap National Youth Front East Khasias district unit kila pakhang lenti ba pen pilot di kali Kamai tourist ki bawan naga jela Assam bandung shiki jaka jungok kai perthai haga thain so rabat pen ursla Hakani ka jingalang kinoyalam jikini atli kin hon klakin tui ka sarkar Meghalaya bari ka sarkar Assam bakin le AA benweng yikani ka jing khna makin Nongñiah kali Kamai tourist naga jela Meghalaya bar Assam kin omma dikini ka jing sha pending ka belaban Ktah ka Kamai ka ji ka jongki Koi pat kamat ke bakile kran hagani ka jingalang kalong halo ka jingdon juki kali shimet niki kali private beshim kabu ban kit ikinong le jinglaj niki nong jungok kai perthai ha ka bagani ka Ktah shikadai ka Kamai ka ji juki Nongñiah kali Kamai tourist ke BGM Kamai jakpo nagani ka kam
We have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, and because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension, and that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay, and other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems, competition from private vehicles operating on as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. These are the main decisions.
Kadihi tengah tagawe hi gabangila ya railang nomor ba kajing sutu bakla jong ki nongwan ki bawan naga barjala tam ki bana coba ka state jongi kan na kiwi ru ka state ki ba don gitu kajing yakang nagaliang jong ki seng balang ndai katu baro bangi kamton jing dei em hakaliang kajing bat kali te nagaliang jong iru long ngila pensai hiru ba nakaliang jongi komunikasyon ngimdon re kanu kajing yang persya ya kanu ka tourist taksi ki bawan siya kajala jongi baki kaliang jongi bang syong mendaringin ya simkhia tang ha bade ba kani kaliang jong ki kali private ki balabun palat ki bawan Kamai sini jala jongi laki nombor plate le katu kalau long keniat kala kam kini ya piang ja jongi ki nong Kamai ki ba Kamai hok lagi tourist taksi desa kawiru long ni nakaliang jong asyon long kibun kit kiseng ki bami syakmat ki ba yakun nakaliang jong sarkar ngim bedik kita kasyong haki banyakran ba sarkar ngi nakaliang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya indon hapadeng kajing yesuk ngim kwa kanu kajing kanat nar baro arliang ki state kumbang julong baro si kata ngi nyai be kunta ngidon kajing trilang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ngi kwa ba kan nyai ke maju katu ki banai kran sa sarkar ai kin yakran ba sarkar kin sudu ba sarkar ngi para driver rang ni nginya be ke kam jungi banya Kamai keji be banya bahaya met lang na bro aliak street jungi katuru ngila don kejing komplain jungi las ya ngila don komplain ya katu ila don ru na tim jungi kilaya operation jungi hapo tengar he lihat na kaliang jong tim jungi kilaya banya kendang gitu kali privately moh kopor te na kaliang jungi ru lada klam keji trelang na kaliang jungi para driver kabu jeng bah identify na department ban kino kita ki private ki ba Kamai ni kino ki private ki bawan nakakam na yang nasam ta te ngiru nakaliang jongi ka action na bro arliang kajela mentangila persyang banginya nginya tray rangkan nginya verify iwe pa iwe na pendengi jongi ki driver ba kino ki kili private ki ba Kamai be an syakwati le ni sa shulong ya katangiru ng station action halo kani kita
We will not take the law into our hands. Yes. We want to give a first appeal to all persons, these travel agents and all these things, booking agents. they are illegally operating private vehicles as on hire basis, and that is actually destroying our business also, because we are paying high rate of taxes, maximum taxation, and they are not paying taxes like us. So there's a discrimination, so they cannot fly. That is illegal. We are not talking about private vehicles. Private vehicles are free to come. Somebody is coming on weekend, they can visit Cherrapunji, any Dauki also. As family, they can come. But we are talking about those private vehicles illegally operating as taxis,
Yes.
that category. So it should be clear, because this may go as a thing, misinterpreted, any private vehicle, somebody will see
Yes.
and they'll stop it. We are not talking about private vehicles. That
Yes.
private category of vehicles higher, flying on higher basis. We'll detect those things, and because mostly our drivers are flying those private vehicles, we'll try to detect and we'll give the list to government. We'll not take the law into our hands. Will not take. And we appeal to a Meghalaya counterpart, so they'll not take the law, they'll give the list to the government and will pressurize the government to take action.
Yes.
Message is that people are free to come to Meghalaya, as well as we welcome tourists to come to Assam.
Yes.
So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay, yeah, everywhere.
Ngi kum ki driver ngiyo kamay kaji lang ba jong jingwan bun kitores. Oh ngin kwa ru ba na pedeng jongi ki bagi terus kindon haka safety ke baning kong ru. Bat kunju iki driver jong iro abaki le cha asam ki wan cha cholong ru kindon hak pedeng kajing sngan kalit kawan bat kunju iki passenger ro. Tangatahi kawi ka message bangai kwa nang iru ba ikwa ya ka jing suk shwa ngin sa kamay bat adien kata.